Hello everyone and welcome to a quick PowerPoint tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to embed fonts in PowerPoint. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open PowerPoint and here I have a small presentation. To embed fonts from this presentation in the file, I go to the File tab and to the Options. Here I switch to Save and find the item Preserve Fidelity when sharing this presentation. The current presentation is already selected. When I now check the box, my fonts are embedded in this file. But now it is important to decide whether only all the characters from this presentation should be embedded or all the characters of the font. If I only save all the characters used, the file will end up smaller. But it can be useful to embed all characters so that the recipient of the file can continue to work with it and use the font to its full extent. If we are done with our selection, I click on OK. And I have already embedded the font in this file. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.